Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign into your Ring account on your Android device. So let's go ahead and open the Ring app on your phone. Now click on Sign In. It will lead you to another browser and then you have to type the email from which you had registered. Now click on Password, enter password, and then click on Sign In. A verification code will come to your phone with which you registered your Ring account. Copy it and paste it over here. After pasting it, tap on Verify Code. Wait for a while as the verification code will be verified. And there you go, you have successfully signed in to your Ring account on your Android device. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.